Hello, it's time for maths. We're going to have a little bit of counting practice first. Count very slowly and accurately. You can press pause if you need to. All of the pictures coming up are part of our How to Find Gold story. Get ready to press pause in case it goes too fast. Did you say 6? If so, well done. The answer is 9. 10. 5. 12. Top of the clock. Well done if you managed to count those accurately. If not, you can always go back and pause the video. It might make them easier to count. So last week we had a look at Numicon addition, which is where you take two pieces of Numicon and you put them together and you count the total. How many holes are there, please? How many holes altogether? Did you say 7? If you did, 7 is the correct answer. Can I show you the correct way to count though? Up and down, well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got the same answer as well. If I count it back and forth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I get very confused, so it's really important you go up and down. Before we look at your sheets today, and again there's an A sheet and a B sheet which is more of a challenge. Before we do that, I want you to look at two numbers. I'm going to show you two numbers and then I want you to tell me which one is the biggest. Okay. Which number is the biggest? Absolutely right, 7 is bigger than 3. Okay, next ones. Which number is the biggest? You're right, 5 is bigger than 1. Next numbers. Which is the bigger number? More difficult that time. 6 is bigger, it's 1 bigger than 5. Next numbers. You're right, 10 is bigger than 5. Put your finger on your nose if you've ever been horse riding before. Have you ever been horse riding where actually you're the one walking and the horse is on your shoulders? No. Why not? Because the horse is bigger and stronger. A child couldn't carry a horse on their back, could they? Even if you're really, really strong and brave. Have you ever been on your mummy's and daddy's shoulders? Maybe when you were a little bit smaller. Okay. Have you ever had where you're walking along and your daddy feels tired, so you put your mummy or daddy on your shoulders and then you walk along the rest of the way to do the shopping? No, because the biggest person, the strongest person, is always on the bottom. Today, when you're looking at your numbers, I want you to move your Numicon around so that your bigger number is on the bottom. If this were your Numicon today, which one goes at the bottom? 4. 4's bigger. Okay? If this were your Numicon, who goes on the bottom? The pink number 7, because the pink number 7 is bigger. Who goes on the bottom? Definitely, it's easier with this one, isn't it? Well done. Who goes on the bottom? Doesn't really matter. They're exactly the same size. Doesn't really matter with this one because they're the same. Who goes on the bottom? This one. So here are your sheets for today. Make sure you choose the most suitable one and let's have a look at our Numicon. So here's my sheet and I've decided I am going to do rainbow writing. Okay, my first number sentence is 3 plus 2. Now I know that some of you can do that on your fingers, but can you use the Numicon today so that you can help me? So I need a 3-piece and a 2-piece. There's the 3-piece and the 2-piece. I've got the 3-piece. Now I need the 2-piece. There it is. Okay, I need to add them together. So all together, so put them together. I'm going to put the 3 on the bottom and then the 2 on top. I can either do it like this or like that. But the 3 is the bigger number and that's on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my total is 5. Next is 1. 1. Add 4. 4. Which one is the 4? This one, let me just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay, 4 goes on the bottom and then 1 jumps on top. Whee! Having a little piggyback. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 again. My next one is number 3. Number 3. Add number 2. This looks very familiar. 3 plus 2. Which number is the biggest? 3. And 2 goes on top. Remember, it can go like this or like this. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 again? Is every answer going to be 5 today? 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2. Let's look at the next one and hope that it's going to be different. I've got 5. What colour piece of Numicon do I look for 5? That one, isn't it? 5 plus 1. 1. Which is the bigger number? Number 5, well done. 5 plus 1. Let's count them together. All together, 5 plus 1 makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Our next one is 4. Number 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. Add them together and count. Oh, what have I done wrong there? I didn't put the bigger number at the bottom. You don't let the horse ride the person at horse riding, do you? No, the bigger one goes at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 again. 5, 5, 5, 6, 6. What will this one be? 6. Where's number 6? 6. Add 1. Do we go horse riding like this? Does the horse go on the person? No, no, no. The person goes on the horse. If you put the person in the middle, it might be difficult. You might not know whether you've counted them or not, so try and put them to one side if you remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. We should have known that because if you've got 6 and you add 1 more than 6 equals 7. In a week or so, when we come back to Numicon Edition, we're going to look at why it's important to have that bigger number on the bottom, okay? You've done very well with that. I'm going to go horse riding now, and I'm going to have the horse on my shoulders. Only joking. Today on my sticker chart, I've chosen this very interesting sticker. It reminds me of from the ceiling to the floor, from the window to the door. But when you turn it around slightly, it reminds me of X. X marks the spot. We've got one more day of learning before we get to have a break on our Saturday and Sunday. Work really hard because we need some more people in Pirate Gang. If you're already in Pirate Gang, I'm very proud of you. Welcome to the club. Have a good day. Have a good day, birthday boy, and I will see you all tomorrow.